How to make a Blooket game. First things first is open up your preferred web browser and let's use Google Chrome for this tutorial. Head to your search bar and go to Blooket. So from here you'll have to choose on the first option or the first result, blooket.com. And if you don't have an account, right, you just have to click on sign up and then maybe connect this to your Google account or whatsoever. If you already created an account, go ahead and log in. Now for you to go ahead and create a Blooket game, all you have to do is click on play, and then from here you'll have to click on load saved game. Select a game mode you want, and then click on new game, click new game, find a set. Now you'll be routed to the discover page in which you'll have to choose on the specific theme of the game that you want. If you wanted to like maybe a trivia, translating expressions, maybe for math, science, ELA, or social studies. Well, let's just try to use this one. Guess the kids' TV show characters. Now, if you're up with these questions, you can go ahead and check the correct answers. And once you're okay with this topic, just go ahead and click on host. From here, you'll have to select a game mode. Let's go ahead and try cafe and then click host. And then you can set the time. You can set the time limit any time you want, maybe 10 minutes or 19. You can also allow late joining, use random names, allow student accounts. Then if you're fully set up, just click on host now. And then from here, you'll just have to let your students know to download Blooket on any app or mobile device, maybe through laptop or PC, and just give this game ID to them. They'll have to enter it through blooket.com and then they will start playing the game. So that's how you create or that's how you make a game in Blooket.